Morning, guys. So it is currently 8:06 in the morning. Today I am going to go to PetSmart. I work a 1 to 8 shift, so yes, it is a little long, and yes, it's a closing, but obviously I'm not bothered by it because I used to work other jobs where my closing shifts would be from 7 p.m. to 3 in the morning. Closing, this type of closing really isn't that bad. But yeah, so it's 1 to 8. Obviously, I'm spending some time with the dogs or the doggos that are there in doggy day camp. But yeah, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the video. This is kind of like my morning routine, what I do. It's like really early. It's like 8:10. 8:10. I say 8:10. It's 8:10 in the morning. So yes, I do like to wake up early. I usually wake up at 6 in the morning, but right now it's 8. So yeah, guys, I'll show you a little bit about what I do in the day. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next clip. A lot better. All right, guys. Short segment. Not sponsored, obviously. Not until I become a very big YouTuber. ASMR. Good ASMR. First time ever trying this. First time because I could never find it. Now I did. It's good. It's very good. It tastes like Jolly Rancher. That's exactly what it tastes like. Have you ever had Jolly Rancher? Pretty sure you've had. That's exactly what it tastes like. Jolly Rancher. I'm surprised it's 0 calories. There's no way it's 0 calories. 3%, doesn't say 3% sodium. Potassium, 4%. Oh, that's not good. 300 milligrams of caffeine per 16 ounce. So one bottle of this, or one can of this, 300 milligrams of caffeine. Not really into caffeine as much as So, all right, I'm gonna explain this. When I used to go to the gym, I will only take pre-workout, but I would try to make sure that pre-workout didn't have caffeine. There's a specific one that I love. If you guys ever want to know about that, I'll do that in a different video. It's good. I definitely buy this again. I feel like this is how Prime, the blue raspberry Prime, is gonna taste like. So let's see which one's better. Face Rug, if you ever watched this, you did a good job. Pretty sure you won't ever watch this, but it's good. That was it for this taste test. That was a good 9 out of 10. I would give it a 9 out of 10. Good 9 out of 10. It was pretty good. I like it. The only thing I wouldn't give it a 10 out of 10 is because it has a lot of caffeine. But other than that, 9 out of 10. Pretty good. I recommend you guys to get it. This is in a Walmart that I found it in, which hopefully I showed you guys that. But I'm pretty sure you can find this anywhere, like in any Walmart that you guys are nearby. I found it like a Walmart that's like deep Long Island, so I'm pretty sure this is everywhere at this point. So you'll be able to find it. Hopefully the next video will be me drinking Prime. Let's see. Alright, guys, next up, got some studying to do. Well, not really studying, but I just like to keep up with my skills, learn new things, get ready for that third interview. And this is kind of how I get ready. I visit a website called Try to Hack Me. There's another one called Hack the Box as well. Both are really good. Both you can learn a lot of good things from it. If you're into cybersecurity like I am and are in the career path for cybersecurity, this is one of the ways that you can get into cybersecurity and kind of update your skills and all that stuff. So yeah, let's see how it goes. All right, so let me show you this really cool thing. So I have this cool thing kind of configured in my terminal from the Mac. Basically, I'll open up the terminal. This is the terminal. If you guys are Windows users, you know that's the command line or a CMD. Really cool. And all you have to do is type in, and we got my cat passing by. All you do is really just type in that word that you made the shortcut for, and it'll launch, or it'll actually use the command that you set it for. Okay guys, so let me show it to you again. Hopefully you see my screen here. Alright, so what we're gonna do is alias Kali, and you see the command line right here, alias Kali equal vbox manage start VM Kali Linux quotations, and then dash type headless. The type headless command is the one that makes it run in the background, and you don't see it right in front of you, or it doesn't pop up. It's just running in the background. Press enter. Obviously nothing's gonna happen. It just accepts the command, and if the command is correct the way you typed it in, nothing will pop up until you press Kali, or you type the word that you set for the shortcut for the alias. So I put Kali. Now you'll see it. It says waiting for VM. That means it's powering on. Now it's on. I have SSH set up into it. So that means, well, I have SSH keys also set up onto it. So that means I don't have to type in my password every time I go and say SSH. And if, like I said, if you're into cybersecurity, you know a little bit about tech, you know what SSH is. If for people who don't know what SSH is basically short for secure shell. And basically, what it is a way to remote into any machine that you want with secure shell. The traffic is encrypted, so it's not like Telnet, where the traffic is not encrypted, anyone can really see what you're doing. SSH requires a password, and like I said, communication is encrypted. The good thing about it is that SSH has this thing where you can put in keys, and the keys will actually let you use them, so you don't have to put in your password. All you gotta do is SSH into the machine you want to without putting a password, and it's like that. So I'm gonna do that for you guys right now. Boom. Now we're in my virtual machine. So the screen you see right here is my virtual machine. So you see it says 0@Kali. If you follow my Instagram, you know that's my username. All right. So now we got this. We got this set up here, and we can look at ls-l. That just shows my directories in a long list format. Because if you do just ls, you got this. You do ls-l, shows it in the long format. All right. So now we got that. So you can see this is my actual Kali machine, and this is where I have. You see a bunch of things like mmap. These are just save files from like previous like activities I've done in labs, like hacking and stuff like that. So yeah, so you have this. Let's just remove the cookie list because we actually don't need that. I need to get rid of some of the stuff here, and I saw a cookie wrong. Oh, it's not that text. Sorry. All right, now remove that. Remove that. If you do ls-al, you'll see even hidden files. And you do ls-h, comes up as human readable. Really cool. All right, this is not a Kali Linux tutorial, it's just to show you that little part right there. All right, let's continue on. Obviously, you don't really need this. This is kind of just make things easier for people who want to just use it from their own terminal instead of actually going into VBox or a virtual box and launching up the application. But I'm gonna go ahead and launch up the application because I have to use Burp Suite. So we're gonna shut it down. Do a sudo shutdown. All right, so you see it's closed. I'm gonna exit. All right. Let's go ahead and exit out of there, and actually we're gonna actually now go into VirtualBox. we're in my Cali machine now. I'm gonna stop the recording now. At least my screen record. You guys can watch me work. Alright, what's going on, guys? So I'm getting ready to head out to PetSmart. Start the shift for 1 to 8. Just give me a second, guys. I'm just exiting here. Don't want to crash into nobody. Alright, we're getting ready to head out. We're going to PetSmart right now. Start the shift for 1 to 8. It's a pretty long shift, but time passes when you're happy at work. So let's see. And then since I'm part-time, I really don't work until like Wednesday or something. Reason why I need to, you know, still get into cybersecurity, because I need the money, you know. All right, let's go ahead and head out. Let's see. All right, guys, made it with time to spare. Just looking for some stuff here. We made it to PetSmart. We're gonna start the day out 1 to 8. I have a feeling that maybe might not be the full shift, just because it, you know, depending on how many people are there, honestly. Yeah, 1 to 8 today, and we're gonna start out the day. I'm gonna try to record as much as I can without, you know, getting in trouble, and without recording the staff, obviously. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna relieve somebody from one of the camps. So let's see. But yeah, guys, I'll let you know how it goes. I'm gonna take you off the tripod just to make sure that there's not too much attention to myself. Yeah, you guys, see you guys in. Bath time, guys. Sammy, hey Sammy. A little nervous. That's Sammy. Come on, Sammy. Come on. Oh. A little old lady, so gotta be gentle. Come on, Sammy. Don't be nervous. Watch you. Come on, Sammy. You're super wet, Sammy. Okay. Really important to have waterproof shoes because you get wet.